And as districts implement their return to learn plans, we know that employers and working parents are trying to balance their child's education with their own work schedules. Kristen Glass, the Chief Strategy Officer for the Quad Cities Chamber, here in studio with us to talk about how the Chamber is working really closely with business owners, school districts, and child care providers to develop creative solutions. This is to help employers, employees, everyone during this time. So good to see you, Kristen. It's been a few months since we've seen each other.
It has. Good to see you, Ann.
You know, first and foremost, you're a mom of two. So you are going through some of these challenges too. Let's talk about what the Chamber is doing and what they have been doing in the past few months.
Sure. Well, we quickly pivoted to be able to serve the business community during this time. There's a variety of different needs, from financial resources and business resources, and just making them connections to help continue their business. But right now, businesses are struggling with return to learn and figuring out how can they support their working parents during this time. So we have recently been working with the superintendents and United Way and other partners to make sure that we can provide employers with those resources that will help parents.
So let's dive into that. What are some of the resources that will be available for parents that are right now sitting at home going, how am I going to do this? How am I going to work from home and still be able to help my children learn?
Right. It's definitely a challenge. There are resources on our website with child care resource and referral links in both Illinois and Iowa, financial aid assistance, and other help that will help parents figure out how they can maneuver this new normal that we're in. So check it out right on our website at quadcitieschamber.com.
And there's also a resource fair. Is that coming up?
Yes, that is coming up on August 6th and 7th in Illinois. And again, just another link on our website that will help parents, financial aid resources, a variety of different resources.
You know, we keep talking about the financial aid. Do you have to meet a certain threshold to get that financial aid? Because we know normally, in normal situations, although this is a new normal, are there thresholds to get that financial aid?
Yes, there definitely are, but there's other options. We've talked to several employers who are interested in doing pop-up childcare right at their facility. There's different facilities in the Quad Cities that are expanding their care. So there's a lot of conversations going on right now to make sure that we can support employers.
And let's talk about the Chamber and all. From the very beginning, we've heard from you here at our TV station about different things that you were trying to do, because you have a unique responsibility in the community, not only to get businesses up and running, but now we're worried about our children too, and we have to pivot if anything happens with this virus. This is a new situation for everybody involved.
Right. Yep. We've had to completely pivot the work we're doing because we are here to serve the business community, and their needs are our needs, and so we are making sure that our economy continues to thrive even during this pandemic.
Kristen, it's always great to see you.
Great to see you.
Kristen talked about a lot of resources, financial aid. There's a lot of information. We're going to have all of this on our website, so visit it right there. It is ourquadcities.com. We'll get you the links that you need to get some of this information. Always good to have Kristen with us.